Okay, so this is part 3 in this wheel series. We're going to add this little linkage spot where the linkage arm will go on. Again, there's like a whole bunch of ways you could do this. Um, I'm going to show you probably the most simplified way. It may not be the fastest, but it is a pretty easy to follow method. So first thing I'm going to do is my planes are kind of like in the way, and I don't really love looking at them all the time. So I'm just going to turn all my planes off by hitting the P key. Looks a lot better. I'm going to make a new sketch on this surface again. Now, yeah, you could activate that old sketch too, but I'm trying to streamline this here. So first thing I'm going to do is throw in a circle. Okay, so I'm going to try to just like hover over that vertex, create a circle. Okay, so that's the big one. That has a diameter of 0.25. And then we need to dimension that 0.7 away from the center. Now, it should kind of crash into the side. That's how it looks. Okay, so it will be over here. Now, I really would, again, you could simplify this and like even revolve that whole thing, but let's just keep going with the way we're going to go. I'm going to finish that. I'm going to extrude this. Okay, I'm going to click on sketch 3 just so it grabs it all and I don't have to pick all the little pieces. Okay, so I just clicked on the sketch and instead of selecting any surfaces out here, and then this gets extruded 0.375. Okay, cool. I'm then going to grab this top surface and make a new sketch on here. New sketch. Okay, it's going to have that same center point. Okay, now that diameter is 0.125. Okay, make it nice and squared up on it. And then this is the part that's saying I don't really like, because like you have to do a third sketch to make that cutout, because this hole in the middle goes deeper than this, so we can't just leave it as such. So it kind of stinks, but it will work. It's just a little more clunky. Okay, so I'm going to extrude that up 0.125. Cool. And now we could use the whole function, put a point in here, or we can just make a new sketch. And that's going to be 0.0625. And we will extrude that guy down. And that is a remove. And that goes in 0.25. Again, if any of my advanced users want like a faster way to do that, I'll be happy to show you that. This is just real simple circle extrusions. We get the right finished product, so that makes us happy. Okay, and that should conclude our wheel, other than giving it a pretty color. That looks nice.